Josephine Baker began her journey in Harlem before gaining international fame. She used her stage presence to challenge how the world viewed black women. Her performances combined elegance with defiance. Audiences may have cheered her in Paris, but her confidence and creativity were shaped in Harlem. Katherine Dunham was both a dancer and a scholar. She studied the roots of African and Caribbean movement and used that research to build a new kind of dance. Her choreography honored traditional forms while introducing new ideas to American stages. Through her work, she showed that dance could be art, history, and activism all at once. Bilbo Jangles Robinson was a tap dancer who turned movement into sound. He brought joy to his performances, but his presence spoke volumes. Robinson was one of the first black entertainers to gain widespread success across racial lines. He opened doors for future performers, not just with talent but with resilience. Harlem's impact on theater was just as powerful. Stages across the neighborhood gave voice to everyday black life. Playwrights tackled stories of love, struggle, hope, and truth. For many audiences, it was the first time they saw people like themselves in lead roles. Langston Hughes didn't stop at poetry. His plays felt like real conversations, pulled straight from the streets of Harlem. They were smart, honest, and full of humanity. Through drama, he showed that everyday life had value, and deserved a spotlight. Performance during the Harlem Renaissance was not just about applause. It was about standing tall, holding space, and refusing to be invisible. The Harlem Renaissance wasn't limited to sound or performance. Visual art also played a vital role in shaping how black life was seen and understood. Through paintings, sculptures, illustrations, and designs, black artists created powerful images that challenged stereotypes and celebrated identity. Aaron Douglas is often called the father of African American art. His style was modern, layered, and filled with symbolism. He used silhouettes, bold shapes, and African-inspired imagery to tell stories of history, struggle, and strength. Douglas created murals, book covers, and magazine illustrations that gave the Harlem Renaissance its visual language. Augusta Savage brought life to her work through sculpture. She shaped clay into faces that reflected dignity and identity. Her work focused on everyday people, students, children, and musicians, capturing their humanity. Savage was also a teacher and mentor. She helped build space for future artists by founding one of Harlem's most important art schools. That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.